Hey guys,
Hello,
welcome back to my channel. So today I have a guest here for you guys. Miss
Lima.
say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so she's an amazing cake designer. Y'all know Valentine's like around the corner, so I had to bring her here. I'm actually at her house, so she can show us how to make a quick
4 minutes vanilla cupcake.
You heard 4 minutes. So if you're interested, if you think this is something you want to see, definitely do keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's get into this video. Alright?
We'll start by measuring 250 grams of flour.
Okay.
If you want to measure it, you have to zero this, whatever you're using, zero it by putting it on the scale and just turning it on.
Okay.
And you subtract the weight. Then you scoop in until you get the measurement. That's 250 grams.
Okay.
I already measured it, 250 grams of water.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I'm just measuring 250 grams of sugar, same measurement as the flour and the butter, and I'm going to add it into the mixer now.
Egg weighs about 54 grams.
Okay.
So if you don't want to measure it, you can just do plus and minus, do the calculation yourself, and that should be about 5 eggs.
Okay.
Or for accuracy, we'll measure it 3.
Alright.
So I know you'll be wondering why I'm breaking it into the bowl. Just in case you have a bad egg, you don't want to spoil the entire batch of eggs, so it's better for you to just break it into a separate bowl and then add it into the one that you are weighing.
Okay, so how many eggs exactly is that now?
It's 5.
Okay, 5 eggs gave us 250 grams, and she's pouring everything inside together with the flour, the mix, the sugar, the margarine.
Here we have baking powder. It's
And-
like 11 kgs. That's what makes it right.
Okay. Are you still going to measure this?
Yes, 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
A teaspoon measure about 5 ml. So 2 teaspoons to 10.
10. Okay.
Then our vanilla.
Oh, is that the vanilla?
Yes.
Is it like a
Vanilla
flavor?
essence.
Essence.
Like a flavor. You extract it from the plant.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow. Wait, let's see that thing up close, you guys.
There's a vanilla bean plant. It's like a bean.
Oh, wow.
So you just extract it.
Okay, so are you going to put it inside the
Yes.
mixer?
1 teaspoon. That's what makes it. That's what gives it the flavor.
The flavor.
That's what we
Oh.
call it, a vanilla.
Vanilla. Oh, it actually smells like ice cream. Oh my god. You guys. Okay, so this is what everything is looking like inside the mixer. So how many teaspoons? Oh, just one. Okay.
Because it's very active.
Oh, I can tell. Wow.
I'll mix it at medium speed, which is 3. Scrape the side.
So she's actually scraping the sides so that everything can combine together. This mixer will take 4 minutes to mix everything together, but if you're using your hand, she said it will take you longer, maybe like 7 minutes to about 10 minutes. Okay? Guys, so it's 4 minutes already, and so what's the next step?
I just give it a quick mix with this bitter and dispense it into. This is what it looks like.
Wow.
Like, so you just scoop it.
Okay.
a quick tap to remove air bubbles.
Okay.
And I'll bake it for 12 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out.
So let's go to the oven. Okay guys, so Muslima has asked me to tell you guys that it's very important to preheat the oven before you actually put the cake inside. Okay guys, so this is the vanilla cake inside the oven. Okay, so at this point Muslima has allowed me to touch a few things, and what we're doing right now is to make
We're making the butter icing.
Butter icing. So what do we need? What are we even using to make this?
We actually need butter and confectioner sugar. That's icing sugar.
Okay.
And you just put the butter into the bowl. As you can see, I'm putting the icing sugar in bit by bit so as not to overcrowd the mixer, and just let it run for a little while.
Okay.
So at this point, I've decided to add a little bit of vanilla essence just to flavor the butter icing. Although it's optional, but I just want the butter cream to have a little bit of taste and flavor. I think it has a little bit of taste to the cake.
Okay.
So we've decided to add a little bit of color to the buttercream. You know, Valentine is coming, and we decided to make it red. Hooray!
Yeah.
So we're making this cake red and white.
But this is a lot of work, you guys. Like, Muslima literally stared at him for another 40 minutes to get this color. And she actually told me that if you leave that color, is it
there? If you leave it a little bit, like overnight, the color will become brighter and more vibrant.
Yeah. So if you guys want to try that, definitely do it. Can you see that cupcake?
Ooh, it looks so
yummy.
pretty.
Oh my god. So after this part, Muslima actually allowed me to do it. You guys need to see how horrible.
She was working like a pro.
Look at me. Look at me. I was holding my hand. Look, you guys. What
Oh.
what is this?
You tried. Okay. And it seems like you were ever giving us lectures.
Hi. Okay, so I was trying to mimic one of the looks or one of the cupcakes she did. Jesus, like, this is a pyramid ice cream. And you guys, that's the end of this video. I think the best part of it all is when you actually have to sit down and eat your cake, and oh my god, it is so good, you guys. So if you want to contact Lima for your Valentine, whatever birthday party events, definitely follow her on Instagram right now. Send a DM and she'll be right there. Bye guys.